Hi friends, here's your homework. This is snowman counting. The directions say count the snowballs and write the number in the snowboard. So you're going to count these. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to write the number there. Be sure to write your name here. Do the best that you can and just practice your name. And then you're going to count all these snowman balls and put it here. And the snowman, how many balls are there? And how many are here? You can also color the sides if you'd like. On this one, it says winter counting. Count the pictures and color the matching numbers. For example, here's how many mittens. 1, 2. You're going to find which number is 2, which is here. Color that one in. Be sure to write your name on it so I know it's yours. And turn it in next time you bring some homework in or come to pick up your next packet. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.